Hello everyone. Sound of letter S should be S or Z. Most of the people pronounce letter S as S in place of Z. For example, if you say dogs, so it's not S in the end, it is Z. Dogs. Dogs. Another example, if you say words, that's again incorrect. Correct pronunciation is words. Words. If you say kids, that's again incorrect. It is kids. Kids. In the same way, if you say buses, that's incorrect. It is buses. Buses. Is. Okay. To know the rules to pronounce letter S, you can watch my video. You will get the link in the description box. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.